Welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Edwin. It's Monday, September 23rd. Happy birthday to Raven reporter Bethany Oxgarden. Today's no cheat trivia question is, which individual person has won the most Oscars?
Meryl Streep.
We'll see. First, the announcements. Cheer competed at OCCA Game Day competition at Willamette University this weekend. They took third place in the field of 30 teams. Great start to the season. Go Ravens!
10 drama students from Ridgeview completed the 24/7 event this weekend with Redmond High and RPA Theater students. Raven reporter Ethan Birmingham, Christian Landon, and Dahel Buckley Noonan, were among the... Dalen Buckley Noonan were among the reporters, and Ethan paired up with Cody Woods in allegory of Cain and Abel to win Judge's Best Choice Performance. And Aaron Ramsey acted in a play that won Audience Best Choice. Great job to all who participated.
The moment you have been waiting for is here. We proudly announce that Ridgeview High School will be performing Disney's The Little Mermaid in February 2020. Auditions will begin on November 4th. Also, auditions start today for radio plays this week. 3 fun plays covering Western, detective, and adventure will be performed. Actors, Foley, narrators, and more are needed to make these shows great. Auditions will be Monday through Wednesday with callbacks on Thursday. This week, we hope to see you there.
Picture retakes will be next Friday, October 4th. Stop by the office with questions.
The GSA meets on Monday and Friday at lunch in the room 225. Everyone is welcome to come by.
Continuing Fiddle meets on Wednesday at lunch, and Beginning Fiddle will meet Thursday only this week. Don't forget to bring your fiddle.
Please join us for our first Fellowship of Christian Athletes meeting of this year. We will have free pizza and ice cream. FCA meets on Tuesdays at lunch in Mr. DeRoss's room.
FBLA members, listen up. There is a meeting next Wednesday in Mr. Gravel's room, 139. Be there.
And now, here's a remake of a classic Big Mac commercial.
What's in the bag?
Lunch. Big Mac, fries.
Play for it.
You and me for my Big Mac?
First one to miss watches the winner eat. No dunking. Off the glass. One knee. Off a Christian, nothing but net. On the stairs, down the hallway, nothing but net.
Through the window, down the hall, nothing but net.
McDonald's. Come get your Big Mac today at McDonald's. McDonald's. Yum.
That's it for today. The answer to today's no cheat trivia question. The person with the most Oscars is Walt Disney.
Oh, nice.
Yep. As always, check out our YouTube page at youtube.com blah blah blah. Ravens Report.
Supposed to.
We're calling it.